Chia seeds facilitate weight loss due to their high fiber content, which slows digestion and increases satiety. The protein content in chia seeds supports muscle retention during weight loss, while omega-3 fats regulate metabolism and reduce inflammation. Fiber in chia seeds stabilizes blood sugar levels by slowing sugar absorption, preventing energy crashes. Chia water, made by soaking chia seeds in water, can be consumed before meals to curb hunger. Smoothies can be enhanced with chia seeds for extra satiety, while chia pudding serves as a healthy breakfast alternative. Chia seeds can be used as an egg replacement in baking to reduce calorie density. Hydration is crucial when consuming chia seeds due to their high water absorption capacity. Start with a small daily dose, such as 1 tablespoon, to avoid bloating and gradually increase intake. Chia seeds aid weight management when paired with a balanced diet and regular exercise.